feel any worse than I do right now. Alien scum!
I smell free food.
Okay, bye.
Screw you!
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the bull.
What you gonna do?
Leave me alone! What am I?
I know what you
Out of here! You want some? Crap face. Step back! Hey guys, let's teach this new kid a lesson.
How about two black eyes? Yeah, two!
Fuck, you don't look so tough now. Hey, stay away from me! What, you crazy or something? Simple. I found a toenail in the meatloaf.
Okay, sure.
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay, alright, sure, I'll do it.
Hey, man, what's...
I'm a genius. Geniuses don't need medication. The main problem is no one cares about self-defense anymore. Hey, see if you can knock out the windows in that bus. I want to see your long-range skill. See if you can get it with your slingshot. All right. I guess you don't suck. Come on, let's go down to the football field. Go hide in that tree so you can mess with me. I'm gonna take a seat on the bleachers to watch some fun.
It gets you another lap, you lazy butts. I didn't tell you to stop. What are you doing, you lazy butts? Get going. Why are you stopping? I didn't tell you to stop. I didn't tell you to stop.
That's that nonsense dealt with.
Hey, Hopkins, let's play keep-ups. Yeah, show me. Like this. What does it feel like to know you're a total loser? You ain't
worth it, but oh well. I don't think these punks understand the pain I've been My mom calls me Prince Algie. She says I'm really special.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again.
Just you wait.
You'll be sorry.
I have to go. Damn you. What's his problem? Help me, I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, they'll never let me hear the end of it.
Stop tickling me and I'll show you.
Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there two people in that cell?
Trench said they went into the bathroom.
Pathetic loser. I'm not...
No more messing around! I'll never see a war now.
You know Lola? She's really hot and actually talked to me the other day. I think maybe she wants to be my girlfriend or something. He told me to always wash my hands. I feel much better now.
This is what I think of school spirit.
I really love bunnies. They're so nice.
Here it is. Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean.
I always knew I could do it.
Greetings. Out of my way. Just kidding.
You'll never amount to
You hear that Vance got caught taking some tranquilizers? So, I'm gonna need your help with this.